Alright, what we got is a 2019 Toyota Tacoma. It's a TSS, which is basically an SR with a little body kit on it. Just comes with the black wheels, upgraded Nitto Terra grapplers with the bar, black exhaust tip, and you get the black Tacoma inserts. Now, I haven't done anything to the truck yet, but I'm about to remove this. I've had the thing for a year now, well, almost a year, and it's time to do some modifications. So to start, I'm just going to remove that little air dam. Now, what you're going to need to remove is just a 10mm socket, and all you're doing, all we gotta do is come down here on the back side. You can see it's got all these little, all the way down. Just gotta come here. Yeah, 10mm. Just gotta remove those. Now we also have these on the front here as well that we'll have to be removing. Super simple, just takes time. Now this one here is actually for the grill, so don't touch those. Just these. These on the front. And you got some on the back. I've already removed that one. We're on that one. Alright. Take a few more out. Right, we got the piece off now. And now that's the finished product. Gives it a little bit more ground clearance up front. Especially on the wheels, tires. Yeah. I just gotta put the little screws back in because I don't want those holes just sitting empty. That's just me. Alright, next I'll probably do a window tint and get that done in the next week or so. Yeah, you can see right through it. Probably change these bars out. Plan on doing a lift at some point. New headlights. These are still halogens. Transfer over to LEDs. But yeah, that's taking that off. That looks better to me.